Some residents in Santo Tomas, Pampanga are hoping that flooding problems will decrease now that DPWH is set to build a massive detention basin in their town. Just like Gina, who has been renting for 8 years, and whenever floodwaters rise in their area, their daily needs and livelihood are affected.
Bumili po kaming pump para makalabas po namin yung tubig. Ayan pa po yung hose ng pump. Sunod po yung CR po namin, hindi kami makasiyar siyempre. Pag mag-CR, hindi bumababa yung tubig. Sana po gagawin na nila para makikita po namin na.
For decades now, Kapampangans have been experiencing flooding in Santo Tomas, which is why it can be observed that some vehicles are already raised high and residents wear rain boots every day. Public Works Secretary Vince Dizon visited several areas in Santo Tomas, including the fish pond that will be converted into a large detention basin, which will help reduce flooding in the town.
Ang problema lang kasi is, for so long, yung area dito sa kung nasan tayo ngayon, halos pumapantay na sa ilog. Ito na kasi yung Abacan River, kung makikita nyo doon. Ang kailangan lang, papagalinin natin. Kasi kahit na 9,000 square meters yan, kung mababaw lang, puno na rin. Ayan nga, puno na. Makikita nyo, yan lahat.
The project will start this year, but according to the Secretary, the communities must be consulted first and the project must be planned properly. Because according to him, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. ordered that flood mitigation projects must be integrated.
Kailangan talaga integrated yung approach natin dito sa Pampanga River Basin. Kasi hindi lang naman Pampanga ang apektado dito eh. Lahat ng halos ng probinsya ng Central Luzon, Bulacan, Pampanga, Zambales, pati Bataan. Ang kagandahan dito sa Santo Tomas at sa Minagi, palisdaan lahat to eh. So kung uhukayin natin yon, makakatulong pa tayo sa mga mangingisda, saka yung mga palisdaan natin dito.
Secretary Dizon met with the Pampanga LGU and other government agencies for the Integrated Flood Mitigation Master Plan that will address the flooding problem. J.M. Thompson for The Nation.